miserable. My fucking pants are soaked. They are not water resistant like they're supposed to be. Let me throw this trash away. Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you tell me your first and last name with the spelling, please?
My first name is Kim. My last name is Scarcella, K-I-M. And then Scarcella is S-C-A-R-C-E-L-L-A.
Kim, so you were telling me earlier this is your first year here in Forest Falls.
Yes.
What have you done to prepare for this storm?
I brought in everything from my yard, my garden flags, my hanging plants are all around my patio. I brought in all my bird houses, made sure something heavy was in my trash can so it wouldn't blow away, made sure the stack of wood was covered nice with wood on top so the cover wouldn't blow away, and made sure we had water and food, dog food. Keeping in touch with neighbors. We're all on like a texting tree. So just making sure everyone's safe.
Good.
Yeah.
Are you worried or concerned about any possible flash floods due to this constant rain?
You know, these houses have been here a long time. I figure if they've made it through, I can make it through. So I've seen the city of Forest Falls. The sheriffs have come around daily, if not several times a day, to make sure everyone's okay. Do we have any questions? Do we feel free, and to feel free to evacuate if need be. They're here to help us. So a lot of community support, a lot of preparation for this. I've seen the city up preparing waterways. So a lot of good stuff, a lot of good community coming together.
Good. And one last question for you. Speaking of evacuations, have they given you kind of any orders or warnings?
Not, they went around on the loudspeaker in the sheriff's cars with the lights on and said, evacuate, because once we go down, I've heard that we can't get back up is the issue. But it hasn't been mandatory, but definitely suggestive for our safety.
Perfect. So you're going to ride it out here.
I am. I have 3 dogs, and my son and I are here. And like I said, we have a neighbor tree of texting going on, making sure everyone's okay. Do they need anything? So I actually feel pretty safe.
Good. Well, hey, listen, Kim, I appreciate you talking to me, and I see your yard is starting to flood, so that's probably my cue to head back to my vehicle.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it so much.
Thank you for being up here.
Thank you. Bye-bye.